for premium market opportunities, presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel Jones reporting from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, the Australian share market is expected to open on a lower note this morning, and that's following a mixed session on Friday night. Shares are likely to fall following Wall Street losses, while China's aggressive reaction to a resurgence of COVID-19 cases could further dampen sentiment. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 will open 9 points lower or 0.1% lower. The benchmark ASX 200 index rose 0.25% to 7,259 points on Friday. Now, looking to some business news from this morning now, and the search has started for a new CEO for the Bank of Queensland. Its current Chief Executive Officer, George Frassis, is leaving the bank. BoQ Chairman Patrick Allaway has taken on the role of Executive Chairman for the period of the executive search. Current Bank of Queensland Non-Executive Director Karen Penrose will be the lead independent director during this period. Brambles has entered into an agreement to combine the pallet and automotive pooling operations of CHEP China with Loscam in Greater China. Under the agreement, CHEP China will be sold to Loscam for an enterprise value of $132.2 million, with Loscam issuing shares to Brambles as consideration. The combined entity will be 20% owned by Brambles and 80% by Loscam. The proposed transaction is expected by the end of the first quarter of calendar year 2023. Arteria has got regulatory approval for the Chicago Skyway purchase. All required approvals have been obtained in relation to the acquisition of a 66.67% majority interest in Skyway Concession Company. The concessionaire of the Chicago Skyway announced on the 14th of September. As all major conditions precedent have now been satisfied, completion of the acquisition is expected to occur by early December. Arteria is one of the world's largest developers and operators of private toll roads. Well, now it's time for a short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zero Coin.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Let's now take a quick look at global markets. So over in the US, on Wall Street, the Dow Jones rose 0.45%. The S&P 500 fell marginally and the Nasdaq dipped 0.5%. MSCI's gauge of stocks across the world shed 0.15% on the day, but added around 1.5% for the week. Over in Europe, the Stoxx 50 rose 0.01%, the FTSE was up 0.3%, the CAC gained 0.08%, and the DAX ended 0.01% higher. All prices fell on Friday, with thin market liquidity closing a week marked by worries about Chinese demand and haggling over a Western price cap on Russian oil. WTI crude futures settled down 2.13% at $76.28 a barrel. Brent settled at $83.63 a barrel. That was down $1.71. Gold prices retreated after the precious metal posted gains in the previous three sessions on expectations the US Federal Reserve would scale back its rate hiking stance. Spot gold dropped 0.1% to $1,753 an ounce. US gold futures gained 0.4% to $1,751 an ounce. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.